Hello everybody, my name is Dr.G.P.Sudhakar from India. Right, I would like to give certain inputs on how to increase employee commitment in an organization. How to increase employee commitment in an organization over a period of time. I would like to specify certain inputs. Right, first point is when you are setting objectives to employee, take intersection of organizational strategy and also employee career objectives and career goals. At that intersection, set the objectives to employee. When you are setting objectives to employee, uh, the combination of it is in line, it should be in line with the organization strategy, and also you should be aligned with the employees' career goals or objectives. That way you achieve better performance and better productivity from the employee. That is the first thing we should do when setting objectives to employee. And second point is think long term. Think long term when you are dealing with the employees, because learning curve varies from year to year. Productivity varies from year to year. As for a nation, we are encountering industrial productivity varies from month to month and quarter to quarter, right? Several factors will affect. So by taking this into consideration, employee performance also varies from year to year. So let us take it in long term perspective. And third point is build trust. Build trust to with employee. It takes time to build trust, right? So different incidents, different contexts in the organization will build trust in employee, right? And fourth point is in a conflicting situation, create a win-win situation for both the parties in the organization. That is, here I would like to specify certain research, my research. Create a win-win situation to both the parties in the organization, because see, any manager in the organization, people manager or any manager in the organization, 20% of the time goes in conflict resolution, in handling conflicts in the organization. 20% of the manager's time goes in handling conflicts in the organization. So the better the we manage conflicts and create a win-win situation in the organization, that creates a productive environment in the organization. The research indicates that, my research specifically, it indicates that there are around 4 different conflict resolution techniques which are frequently used in an organizational environment. First one is avoidance, next one is compromise, third one is collaboration, and fourth one is confrontation. These 4 techniques are very effective techniques to deal with in a conflict, in resolving conflicting situation, right? And also research indicates that usually the frequently used conflict resolution technique among employees varies from one level of the employee to another level of the employee. At employee level, they use avoidance technique, team member level. At project manager level, these are the mostly used technique. At project manager level, he uses collaboration technique mostly. At top management level, they use accommodation technique in the. So all these techniques they will avoid conflict or conflicting situation in the organization. They are win-win creating techniques. So these are the widely used techniques in general by every employee in the organization. So the fourth point is when you are dealing with a conflicting situation, try to create a win-win situation, right? And the fifth point is, when you want to try to increase the organizational employee commitment in the organization, uh, give feedback, give regular feedback, timely feedback, give regular feedback to the employee, right? And sixth point is, if any issue, problem, or challenge comes in, you resolve timely. Timely decisions will be effective in an organizational environment. Timely decision should be there. We should not delay certain things. That gives more information will be going into the organization. Delaying things will pass on a lot of information in the organization, because I will tell you here, I will quote one thing. Napoleon Bonaparte told that 90% of the war is only information, only 10% is the war. 90% of the war is only information. 10% is the actual war. So that way, we have to timely resolve the issues and problems in the organization. That is sixth point. And seventh point is, we have to, top management has to create a right environment in the organization. Top management has to create right environment in the organization. Here I will specify certain research inputs from my research. Recently I conducted one research. Around 36 respondents responded to that research. Basically, what is the top most priority for you currently, I asked. And I have given options like whether developing a new product, or developing a new service, or having attending a right training program, or having a right environment. What is your topmost priority, I asked. Majority of the respondents told that having the right environment is their topmost priority in the organization, having the right environment. So that is the reason top management has to focus on creating right environment that creates innovation in the organization. Employee, the moment employee feels he is developing innovative products and services, he will be committed to the organization. He will be committed to the organization, right? And seventh point is, accept failures in the organization, give opportunity to learn for the employee. That is the seventh point, right? And eighth point is, provide participative safety in the team. Participative safety in the team leads to innovation, productivity, and performance. The moment team members come up with ideas, freely they will be able to share, means that is leading to better innovation, better productivity, and better performance. Provide participative safety in the team, right? And ninth point is, when you are dealing with employees, reward the better performance, better contributions, reward the, don't forget this aspect. Rewarding the better performance, better contribution is one of the important aspect, one of the important aspect. And the 10th point is, when it is yellow informal communication in the organization. Don't mm, yellow informal communication in the organization, because at the end of the day they are all human beings. Informal communication, it increases the among it increases the team cohesion. Better team climate can be created in the organization, that leads to better performance in the organization, right? Informal communication, occasional informal communication is also good for the organizational performance. Like that, these different points will help to increase employee commitment in the organization, right? Thank you, everybody.